18 U.S. states file suit against SEC for unconstitutional outreach. I'm not a financial advisor. A new lawsuit signed by 18 Republican attorney generals accused the SEC of unfair practices in prior crypto crackdowns. The suit names the SEC and all 5 of its commissioners. Now, where are all 5 of the commissioners? Where are their names? Do they have all the names in here? Let's see. I don't know who they are. I know we have Hester. I guess Mark Ayuda one right now. I think he is. Gary Gensler. And I can't remember. There is another one. I know his name. Jay Chains. That song is also in Con Air. Great movie, Con Air. Love
no,
Con Air.
It's not, because Nicolas Cage is in it. And
oh,
yeah, I don't like him. No, he gets a throat punch if I ever see him.
Man, we watched this movie called Long Legs with Nicolas Cage, just playing this really scary, actual Beetlejuice kind of looking killer guy. It was crazy. Okay, let's see. Filed in the Eastern District of Kentucky. Bizarrely, this includes crypto mom Hester Peirce, whom Trump appointed himself. Okay. It's interesting because 18 states did this. Let's see who they are. I'll get to the list of the commissioners right now. I should know this. You guys should know the list of SEC commissioners before you know the names of those 2 altcoin daily twins. Did you hear my joke? You didn't. You should have laughed.
No, I was typing something in the chat.
It was real awkward because you didn't laugh at my joke. I said, you guys should learn the list of SEC commissioners before you learn the first names of those altcoin brother guys. Okay, altcoin daily guys. What I'm saying is, what I'm actually trying to say here is, it's much more important that you guys understand what's going on in finance than you know individual things about people in crypto. Like we need to know this stuff. And this is a big ball drop by me. Ball drop. Not knowing this. All right, here we go. We'll go all the way down here. Let's see. Biden, Mark Ayuda, Jamie Lizarga, Gary Gensler, Hester Peirce, and Caroline Crenshaw. Oh, Caroline Crenshaw is one. So, hey, I named 3 of them. I got 3 out of 5. This Mark Ayuda, I believe, is your next SEC commissioner, by the way. He was in the movie last night as well. But this is the guy. Get used to him. This is going to be the guy you're going to be looking at.
He's crypto friendly, right?
Yes, we like Mark Ayuda. But look, and it's important for people to understand, when it comes to government offices and people that we say we like, they're still going to do stuff we don't like sometimes, for sure. And we'll be like, what, Nitty? I can't believe, why did the guy say this? Because we didn't get let in on the plot line sometimes. Very rare these days. Bitcoin to hit repeated all-time highs over next 2 quarters. Van Eck, here's your top sign. It's Matthew Siegel. I tried to get him on the channel. I got him on LinkedIn. Says Bitcoin's in blue sky territory and expects the cryptocurrency to run up to $180,000. Okay, now I think, guys, be careful about this number 180. We want to pay attention. I'll ask Mr. X if it's significant, because at some point the game is going to be, I'm not saying it's him, but I'm saying at some point the game's going to be to give us unrealistic targets so that we have a number we're waiting for that it won't get to, so the institutions can take the profits. So let's see if there's any good information in here. No technical resistance over the next 2 quarters. Is he talking about quarter 4 and quarter 1, or is he talking quarter 1, quarter 2? Quite a difference. Let's see. It says number of calls he's getting from investment advisors who have no Bitcoin pressure, wanting to accelerate. This is great news right here, man. This is absolutely great news for us. He said he expected a post-election pump, and it happened. So we get it every time. Google volumes for Bitcoin and Coinbase are going up significantly. Google Trends hit a new peak. No, it hit a peak in 2021, but search interest has nearly tripled since the start of November and still falls way short. That shows you where the potential is. So, okay. Pennsylvania House introduces bill to implement a strategic Bitcoin reserve. And look, there he is. There's your guy, Mark Ayuda, right there. I told you to start seeing him. There he is. President-elect Donald Trump's proposal to create a national Bitcoin reserve is gaining traction across the country as several states are now weighing plans to implement their own cryptocurrency reserves. The prospect of Trump's return to the White House, and these states are saying, man, we got to get this Bitcoin before Trump takes over, man. Optimism that Trump, who takes office in January, will fulfill his promises to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet, Bitcoin a permanent national asset, has made its price surge 20%. There we go. I mean, Trump's bullish. Pennsylvania's bullish. What do you know? Radium's catching up with Uniswap spot volumes. Man, this is sad. This shows you Uniswap's dead. Ethereum is dead. And what else does Uniswap do other than just Ethereum? Do you know?
To be honest with you, I haven't used
BNB,
Uniswap in who knows how long.
I know. I haven't either. I've used it 4 times in the last year and a half, probably. The meme frenzy shows no signs of slowing down. That's a sure sign it's going to slow down. I really want people to hear me on this meme coin stuff. You guys are going to make a lot of money with meme coins right now. It's great. Make them throughout this entire cycle. This is it. After this cycle, this is it for meme coins. There will not be a whiff parade in 7 years. There will be a whiff parade next year, but that will be the only one.